So the MPN Workshop of the Carolinas is an opportunity to hear from um, a number of experts from within the US and outside the US on sort of the very most up-to-date data in all MPNs, including ET and PV and myelofibrosis, and some of the less common MPNs or overlap syndromes. I was really fortunate to attend and really learned a ton last year from all of the speakers. And we have a really, really nice lineup of speakers who I am really excited to hear from and learn from this year again. It is just a really nice venue in a compact sort of 48 hours to learn a ton from really the leading experts. So I'm super excited to go and hear from all the speakers this year.